Hey guys, what's going on? Kind of wanted to do a quick video on starters, and I just took this one out of my 2008 Jeep Wrangler. I've had the Jeep for probably like a year and a half, and when I first bought it, I bought it off a used car lot, and the starter was bad, and so they threw in a cheap remanufactured starter. So whenever possible, I've been doing this a long time. You watch Steve and I's videos. Buy a brand new starter, because a lot of times if you buy a reman, sometimes it'll go bad in another year or two, then you're back in there doing the same job again. If you can get a brand new starter for like 30-40 bucks more, go that route. It's going to save you a world of headaches more than likely. And a lot of times you'll go in there, fix the starter, and you'll be all set on your way and be able to go on with other things. So just kind of wanted to give you a quick tip and a heads up. And so if your starter goes bad, you only want to be in there once, move on to something better. And just a quick tip, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching.